it's Lynn from LynnieC Designs, and today I'm just going to show you how I made this card using the wonderful new Stamparatus. I'm using a retiring in colour, so Sweet Sugar Plum, that's the card base, and then I've got Fresh Fig and Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm using one of the faceted, large clear faceted gems just to finish it off. It's a very simple card, really just to demonstrate how this stamping platform works. I've got, I'm using a stamp from, a couple of the stamps from the lovely Inside and Out stamp set, and the flower and leaf from the Flourishing Phrases stamp set. Both of these are clear mount, and I've already mounted the stamps on the two pads. There are lots of videos out there on YouTube. Stampin' Up have put some wonderful tutorials up. I just thought I would very quickly show you how I use this machine. I've already used, or this tool, sorry. So I've already put in my card stock, and I tend to put a couple of little, these are sticky notes, little sticky tabs, just so that I know where my paper's going to go. There is a grid line on here, but I decided to do that. So I'm going to ink up this stamp with Fresh Fig, stamp it down, put a little bit of pressure. You don't have to put too much pressure on, and if you don't transfer all the ink off, you just give it a little bit more pressure. Now I want this one to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to do 2 lots of ink on there. Go. Put it vertical on the hinge, and then move it down 1 spot. This is where this design is just ingenious. Ink it up, flap it over, and give it some pressure. Transfer the ink, you just need to give it a little bit of time. There we go. And then I'm going to bring it down 1 more without re-inking it. You just want to have that as a slightly lighter image. And there we go. Just love that graduated look. And then I'm going to use Sweet Sugar Plum on the flower image. There we go. And that's, it just comes down there. Now, because that's not exactly perfect, I'm going to try and do that again, and that magnet should have kept it in the same spot. Perfect, much better. Rotate the plate, and then with the green ink, do the leaves. Lovely. Now obviously they need cleaning. I tend to, you can either clean them with a, I need to get myself a cloth. So let's get rid of that. Oh, these magnets are so strong. There we go, and I'm going to, on these little, I get loads of these little strips of card, and I'm going to see if I can stamp that straight. These strips come on when I trim down the A4 to get these bits. Fabulous. So I'm going to just snip that that way, snip that way. It's going to sit on there, and I think what I'm going to do, same as I did the last time, I'm going to use my crocodile, my We Are Memory Keepers crocodile, and to chomp the corners. Love it. There we go, just those two corners, and I'll do the same on the card base. And before I stick that on, I've got a little wedge of stamping sponge, and I'm just going to put a bit of the Fresh Fig on the edges of the cardstock, just to define that edge. You don't have to worry about, you do it as little or as much as you like. Make it a little bit grungy. Could also use touches of texture, but I quite like doing it freehand, plus I'm trying to keep my videos short for you, so you can spend some time crafting. There we go. You'll see I didn't do it properly the first time. There's always two sides to every bit of card. That's what I always say. Most of the time people don't realise. Giving the game away there, but I'm sure if you craft yourself, you do that too. That goes on there. I'll give that a bit of a rub. And then I'm going to use one of the inside, and I've got some mini dimensionals. I'm going to Fresh Fig again, do the same thing with this little banner just so that it stands out. Pop that up with some dimensionals. Oop. And off to the side there. There we go, for a great friend. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. All the details will be in a link in my blog. There will be a link to my blog post below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye for now.